Hi viewers, today I am going to discuss about acetoacetic ester synthesis. Acetoacetic ester synthesis. It is the base catalyzed reaction of beta keto esters with alkylating reagents to give mono or disubstituted beta keto esters. It is the base catalyzed reaction of beta keto esters with alkylating reagents to give mono or disubstituted beta keto esters. These on mild hydrolysis with dilute alkali or hydrochloric acid followed by decarboxylation yield substituted acetones. End-on treatment with strong alkali give substituted acetic acids. This is the acetoacetic ester synthesis. Now we take examples. First we take examples. First what? Beta keto esters. Beta keto esters. First we take beta keto esters. This is beta keto ester. CH3 C double bond O, CH2 C double bond O, O ethyl group, ET ethyl group. Here this C double bond O, OET, O ethyl group is ester group. What is ester group? RC double bond O, O, or this is ester group. Here beta keto esters means the carbon, first carbon attached to ester group is alpha carbon, alpha position. The second carbon attached to ester group is beta. Beta keto esters means here keto group is attached to, here keto group is attached to beta carbon. So this is called as beta keto ester. This is beta keto ester. This beta keto ester on reaction with alkylating reagent. RX means alkyl group, and base catalyzation takes place. Then it forms mono or disubstituted beta keto esters. When beta keto esters on base catalyzation and react with alkyl reagent, alkylating reagent forms mono or disubstituted beta keto esters. Here one hydrogen from this alpha position is replaced by this alkyl group, and forms mono substituted beta keto ester. As it is CH3, this CH3, CH3, C double bond O, C double bond O, and here one hydrogen is replaced by this alkyl group, So CH single bond, this alkyl group, C double bond O, OET ester group. These on mild hydrolysis with dilute alkali. Mild hydrolysis means H plus addition and dilute alkali. Dilute KOH. Here we take KOH. Dilute KOH. This formed product on mild hydrolysis with the dilute alkali or hydrochloric acid, whatever, followed by decarboxylation. What happens? Carbon dioxide removal takes place. This formed mono beta keto ester on mild hydrolysis with dilute KOH. Decarboxylation takes place. Here CO2 is removed. Decarboxylation means removal of carbon dioxide. Removal of carbon dioxide takes place. So CH3 C double bond O, CH3 C double bond O, CH2 R is formed and CO2 is removed. Ethyl alcohol is formed. Fine. Now you can see mechanism. You can understand by seeing this mechanism. Now first beta keto ester. Here beta keto ester CH3 C double bond O CH2. This CH2 is written like this, CH C double bond O OC2H5. Now and react with the base. Here we take base NaOC2H5, Na plus OC2H5 minus. Now when beta keto ester reacts with the base, it forms carbanion. Negative charge anion is formed, carbanion. This H is removed so that when bond breaks, H plus is removed. So here negative charge is formed. So CH3 C double bond O CH minus C double bond O OC2H5. This is carbanion. Carbanion. It can also written as CH3 C double bond O CH double bond C O minus OC2H5. How this carbanion forms? How this carbanion forms? Now let us see how this carbanion forms. For example, what? Beta keto. We take beta keto ester C double bond O CH2 C double bond O OC2H5. And this Na plus and OC2H5 minus, this base reacts. One hydrogen from this. The hydrogen attached to a saturated carbon means single bonds. The hydrogen attached to a saturated carbon atom that has two strong electron withdrawing groups. Electron withdrawing groups means the ability to withdraw electrons from others. The hydrogen attached to a saturated carbon that has two strong electron withdrawing groups is acidic and reacts with base to generate carbanion. When this hydrogen goes, H plus goes, then here negative charge is formed. CH3 C double bond O CH minus, negative charge. C double bond O C2H5. When a bond breaks, here H plus goes, then there is only negative charge. When this bond breaks, here H plus is removed and here negative charge is only found. So this is carbanion. And again it can also written as, this carbanion is also written as CH3 C double bond O CH double bond. Here this bond breaks and here negative charge is formed. Here positive charge is formed. This positive and negative combines to give a bond. So that CH double bond C O minus OC2H5. And again it can also written as CH3CO minus. Here now this bond breaks, so here negative charge is formed and positive charge and negative charge forms a bond, so that double bond CH, single bond C, double bond O, C2H5. That's it. Now the formed carbanion. What is this? CH3, C double bond O, CH minus C double bond O, OC2H5. This formed carbanion and reacts with alkyl group. What forms? CH3, C double bond O, CH. This R is this R, and this CH minus forms bond R plus plus X minus, so CHR. C double bond O, OC2H5. Mild hydrolysis means addition of H plus with the dilute acids, dilute alkali, so dilute alkali, NaOH, dilute alkali. The formed product on mild hydrolysis, that is H plus, and with dilute NaOH, dilute alkali, gives what? CH3, C double bond O, CH3, C double bond O, CH, CH, R, R, C double bond O, O, H. This C double bond O, OH. This H plus now on further writing here, this bond is shifted to hydrogen and this to this shifted to E. So what is formed? CH3, C. Here the shifted bond is represented by dotted lines, and H, O, here two products are formed because here the bond breaks and here the single bond, here the single bond is shifted and here the single bond is shifted. So here the product gets divided and two products are formed. Decarboxylation takes place minus CO2. Here this CO2 is removed. decarboxylation takes place. So that this is ketonic hydrolysis. Ketonic hydrolysis. The formed product CH3 COH double bond CH. So this is here on mild hydrolysis with H plus. In hydrolysis there is H plus and OH minus. There are two. Here OH minus is also there. That reaction is mentioned here. Here we can see reaction with OH minus. Mild hydrolysis. So CH3 C double bond O, CH3 C double bond O, CH or C double bond O ethyl plus OH minus plus OH minus. Mild hydrolysis. Sorry. CH3 C O minus OH. Here this OH is shifted to here. How? Here the bond between carbon and oxygen breaks, so that here negative charge is formed and here positive charge is formed. This positive and this OH minus, this negative, forms bond, so that CH3 C O minus, this OH is shifted to here COH CH R C double bond O ethyl. Now this negative charge is shifted to here and this bond is shifted to here, so that what happens, CH3 C double bond O, this negative, and here the bond is shifted, so that here positive charge is formed. Positive charge is formed. This positive and negative forms bond. So C double bond O, CH3 C double bond O, OH, this OH and plus CH minus, here CH minus RCOO ET, ethyl. On hydrolysis, CH2 or COO ethyl. On hydrolysis, H plus plus OH minus. So H plus forms bond with this negative charge. So H2, CH2, CH2 or COO ethyl plus OH minus. Here OH minus, H plus plus OH minus. So this H plus reacts with this and OH minus is formed. On hydrolysis means addition of water and acidification. That means reacts with acid, forms CH2 RCOOH. This ethyl alcohol removes, and on hydrolysis H plus is added, so that CH2RCOOH is formed. This is acidic hydrolysis. This is acidic hydrolysis. Acidic hydrolysis. Use of a very strong base such as LDA or use of very strong base such as LDA gives a dianion, means two negatively charged anions. Gives use of very strong base such as LDA gives a dianion, which will preferentially alkylate at the methyl group, the less acidic side of the acetone. For example, dianion, CH2 double bond C O minus, CH double bond C, O minus, OAT. There is no other bond. Dianion. How it forms? Use very strong base. When we use a very strong base such as LDA, then it gives dianion. Here we use a base, weak base. Single carbanion is formed. Here we use strong base LDA, then dianion, 1, 2, 2 anions. Dianion is formed. Here this CH3 CO CH2 COO ET ethyl group, double bond CH2 bromine. When it is alkylated, this is alkyl group. This is alkyl. When it is alkylated at methyl group, less acidic side of the ketone, CH2COO ethyl CH2 CH double bond CH2 plus. Finally, acetoacetic ester synthesis is completed, and applications, but those are uses. Sodioacetic ester can be used for the synthesis of variety of compounds such as ketones, carboxylic acids, keto acids or esters, etc. Applications means uses. These acetoacetic esters are used as mainly sodioacetic ester can be used for synthesis of, it is used in the synthesis of variety of compounds such as ketones, carboxylic acids, keto acids, esters, etc. This sodioacetic ester can be used for synthesis of variety of compounds such as ketones, carboxylic acids, keto acids, esters, etc.